Welcome to the PoolTree System Installation Guide. Today we'll be setting up a system on a 21-foot round pool. Let's start by unpacking your PoolTree system. Inside the box, you'll find the PoolTree ball, complete with a small, clear, cone-shaped plug. Handle this plug with care, as it's easy to misplace due to its size. Also included is the ball harness, support straps, zip tie, and instruction card. The quantity of support straps varies based on pool size. Colors of components may vary. Once unpacked, the first step is to lay out the harness. It should be free of tangles and twists to ensure a smooth setup. You'll see the harness includes several support sections. These are crucial for securing the PoolTree to your pool. Next, it is time to inflate the ball. Arrange the harness around the ball, ensuring it's evenly placed and not twisted. While inflating, orient the plug horizontally so that it cannot rub on the cover once installed. Inflate the ball enough so that it fully contacts the harness, but still allows space to slip your hand between the ball and the harness. This allows for some expansion. Firmly insert the plug until flush with the ball surface to prevent any air leaks. Moving on to the support strap setup. Each section consists of a long strap with a loop, a stretch connect coupler, and a red strap. Count the uprights around your pool to determine how many supports you'll need. It is recommended to use one support on every other upright. Loop the support straps around the harness and arrange them so that they sit flat on the harness. This allows a smooth transition for the cover. For our demonstration, this pool has 14 uprights, so we're using 7 supports. If needed, additional supports can be purchased at PoolTreeSystem.com. Begin on the upright next to the pool skimmer to avoid the seam where the wall bolts together, as this can make installation more difficult. While gently pushing on the pool wall, use the zip tie included in your kit to help feed the red strap behind the upright, then slide it to the top of the upright. Once all straps are positioned, it's time to place the ball in the pool. At this point, it helps to have a second person to help keep the supports organized. Make sure the lines are not tangled before proceeding to the pool. Pick up the ball in the harness like a ponytail and place it over the rail of the pool. Then begin connecting the straps one at a time. Work your way around the pool, attaching each strap in turn. The ball will naturally begin to center itself as more supports are connected. Once all straps are in place, take out any slack to ensure the ball is centered and the stretch connect supports are taut. Ensure that the plastic connector is hanging over the pool, not on top of the rail, to prevent contact with the pool. Finally, lay out your pool cover. Weave the cable through the cover's grommets and pull tightly to secure the cover around the pool. And that's it! Your PoolTree system is set up and ready for the winter. Come spring, simply reverse these steps to remove the system. Remember to clean the straps and harness with fresh water before storing. You can keep the ball inflated if you have space or deflate it for more compact storage. Thank you for choosing PoolTree and enjoy a maintenance-free winter and a clean and easy pool opening next season.